Welcome, in front of me is ACER Nitro 5 and in this video I will show you how to check this laptop's specifications. First, open the Start menu, then go to Settings, then select System Settings and scroll all the way down to About section. Now open it and here you will find all the brief information about your devices. Hardware elements and also the specifications which you've been looking for right here. Below you can find the Windows specifications for your device, and if you want to know more about your device's hardware elements, you can right click the taskbar, go to Task Manager, then select the Performance section right here, and in each different tab you can find all the information about each of your hardware element as well as the monitoring screen of the resource usage. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.